Dear children, in continuation, we are dealing with the next subtopic, that is the Rowlett Satyagraha. Since we had seen earlier, the mass agitation started on the call of Mahatma Gandhi. What Mahatma Gandhi earlier did, he just traveled throughout the India and different parts and different corners of the India, and he understood the real problem of the people. And also he came to know what resources people have and what difficulties are they facing by the British rule. And he planned and he streamlined his further plans to make maximum participation of the people. So what happened during that time? In 1999, the Rowlett Act was passed by British rule. What was the feature or speciality of this Rowlett Act was? See here, this act got the fundamental rights of the people. What was the fundamental right of that time which particularly focused? That was freedom of expression. It means one cannot even speak truth if that truth is against the British policy or British government. And another feature was that it strengthened the police powers. How? On only suspicious grounds, police can arrest any Indian without giving reason and can detain into the jails, police jails, without producing before the magistrate. That was the specialty. So, it strengthened police powers. It means the act has given the liberty to the police and snatched the freedom of common man, even if he tried to voice the wrong deeds of British powers. That was the specialty of the Rowlett Act. And in response to this act, Gandhiji urged to take this Rowlett Satyagraha movement against this act. Both the leaders from INC, Indian National Congress, many of the Congress leaders were the followers of Mahatma Gandhi, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the head or leader of All India Muslim League. Both of them criticized this act, as a devilish and tyrannical. It means very unjust with the people, even if they wanted to voice the truth. Then, in response to this Rowlett Act, 6 April 1919 was observed as a day of humiliation and prayer. Maximum prayers were organized against this act, and this is a humiliation of Indians that was particularly focused. And throughout India, people, those who had learned the specialty of the Rowlett Act, observed this humiliation, the day as a humiliation and prayer. And what happened in this continuation? At Punjab, Amritsar, there is a large garden named Jaalianwala Bagh. Jaalianwala Bagh. There, in common situation and common condition, people gathered to take evening walk, and the children, women, elderly people had gathered there just for their exercise purpose, amusement purpose. But what happened on 13 April 1919? A martial law was enforced in the city of Amritsar, but it was unknown to the common people. The enforcement of martial law is executed in the city. They were unknown about the martial law. What is the martial law? Martial law means just a curfew. Nobody can move out of their houses. That was restrictions over the movement of the people by the martial law. Then on 13 April 1999, the situation was at Jaalianwala Bagh. Jaalianwala Bagh at Amritsar. People had gathered for their personal amusement, personal exercises, just evening walk, and this general dire arrived. You might have also watched the movie that is Rang De Basanti, and such other movies are there, but you can also the legend of Bagh Singh. There, this situation has been depicted in that picture. So, General Dyer came there and, without giving a reasonable span of time to evacuate, to exit these people from Jaalianwala Bagh, he just ordered fire, and small children, younger, older people, women, there was the situation of this garden was that there was only one gate over there. There was only one such a narrow way to approach the garden, and he just came over here, and people are here. Okay, and fire, as soon as the order of fire was given by General Dyer, the people, innocent people who were ignorant about what is happening, and he came to know. It means his assumption was that the people had gathered here just to oppose this Rowlett Act. The agitation or the movement or the assembly has been staged against the Rowlett Act. It was his assumption, and that's why he came here and ordered to fire over this mass, over these people, and this incident is known as Jaalianwala Bagh massacre. If the date is 13 April 1990, this is there. So, is it the just act on the part of General Dyer, on the part of government? No. Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood, the title, knighthood title, renounced, he returned to the government. If the government who is just facilitating the intellectuals, the laureates, and on other hand, the officials or officers of the same government are of such mentality that they just fired the gathering of people who were innocent, unarmed, and had been there for just enjoying the park moments. This is there. So Rabindranath Tagore renounced his title, and such many others also contained. Rabindranath Tagore is knighthood. See, knighthood is a status at England, like a samant in India, who has been given a particular responsibility of particular area or region. Like that knighthood, he has been awarded by the British government. It was something noble and royal in the eyes of the British.